Good day, folks. This is Greg Judy at Green Pastures Farm. Today, Isaac is going to show us how to put a tensioner. We call it tension ratchet. This is the tightening mechanism that holds your high tensile wire tight, and you're going to attach it to that spring. So how do you get it on there?
So you start, take your spring, pull one of these sides out.
Okay.
Take it completely off, and then you're going to want to run it through that hole. Slide that tensioner all the way up to that.
Okay. Now how do you get it back on that spring?
Now, don't go in, make sure you go to the same side where the other hooks are, and you're going to have to use a little hand strength and squeeze those together and feed them into that hole.
Yep.
And push them all the way. Make sure when you do that, you get them alternating of... This one's amped up. You want to make sure you get them alternating so that they're not on the same threshold.
Right.
So that when you pull them in,
the spring can work.
They're good to go.
Yeah. Good deal. Well, thank you.
Pretty quick.
Yeah.
Quick and easy. So now in this pulling, you got it'll you know, you crimp it on, it'll so I'm bleeding a little bit. Finger a little bit. Yeah,
yeah.
Make them all up ahead of time, and then you don't have to do it when
you get to the field.
Yeah.
That's something you could do in your kitchen.
Yep.
Yep. All right. Well, thank you, Isaac. That's what people wanted to know, is how to get that tensioner on there. So I thought I'd show people.
If you get it twisted the wrong way and you're having issues, just like if this one's wrong, just pull this side out, and then get some blood out there a little bit. Here. Ooh. You can pull this out
all the
way. You can always redo it.
Boy, you're bleeding. What'd you cut?
I don't know. Something. Anyways, then you can just put those back in like that, and it's good to go.
Okay.
Better get that taken care of.
Yeah, I got a Band-Aid. I'm gonna get on you, folks. Isaac just sacrificed some blood for that video. Thank you, Isaac. Y'all have a good one, and I'm gonna get my Isaac's blood cleaned up off of this fencing project.